The Brevite Jumper Photo is a very nice backpack that is aimed at photographers, but could work for anyone who wants a sturdy, medium-sized backpack that happens to look really nice. I have the pine green version, and I think it looks really good in person. I like accessories like this that aren't the normal black or dark gray that you'd expect, but also aren't so far out there that they're annoying, and this green does exactly that. The backpack is well made, and while I haven't pushed it too hard myself, I can tell just based on the materials that it can take a beating. In terms of storage, there's a laptop sleeve that can fit up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I've got a 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro, and it fits snugly in there. And my iPad and MacBook Air slide in with plenty of room to spare. On the opposite side is a small pouch with some pockets inside where you can throw whatever you want. But I like it for batteries, face masks, cables, and any other small accessories I need with me. And then there's the main compartment, which is where this gets its photographer focus. There's a good amount of space here, and while you can use all of the space as a general dumping ground, it comes with these dividers that connect with Velcro and you can use to create sub-compartments in the bottom of the bag to put whatever you want. They're intended for cameras, so when I travel or need to bring my camera with me to the office, I use this configuration. I've got my Canon EOS RP with the 35mm 1.8 macro lens, as well as the 24 to 105mm lens that I need to use whenever I need to zoom in a bit more. They're all protected from each other as well as from anything resting on top of them. I usually don't put much more in here, but I always have a pair of headphones, which right now are the AirPods Max, which I don't think I can logically justify, but they sound really nice and they just work great with all my Apple devices, so they're my go-tos right now. There's also this zipper on the side that gives you quick access to the bottom of the main compartment, which is great for photographers since you can quickly pull out your camera and get a shot quickly. But for me, this is on the wrong side, so I don't actually get much use out of it. This only works if you have your backpack slung over your left shoulder, and I'm a 90s kid who developed muscle memory for having it over my right shoulder, and I just can't do the left one comfortably. This is more a me problem, I'll admit, but if Brevite made a model with this opening on the other side, I would have gotten that one instead. Finally, I like the straps on the bottom for holding something like a tripod, as well as this little slot that lets you slide it over a rolling suitcase for when you're making your way through an airport. And that's really it. It's a backpack, so there's not much more to say. Ultimately, it looks good, feels premium, and has a few nice features that photographers will love. And it comes in at a reasonable price. It's definitely a bit premium, but bags get stupid expensive, and this one is at least in the realm of reasonability. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching.